Hello and welcome to another MCO market update on HBAR. Yesterday we've had a first nice reaction here to our support region. You might remember from previous videos that we wanted the price to get to the 12.8 cent level. That was an ideal target for this fourth wave that we've been tracking in the blue scenario. And then from there we wanted to see a fifth wave rally to the upside, potentially even to the 49 to 66 cent level. So at the moment, the question is whether we've already bottomed in this wave 4. I myself, I'm not convinced yet, but this is the area from where such a reversal should occur. And there has definitely been a good reaction to the key Fibonacci support we have been watching. So we will also take a brief look at the smaller time frame in a minute to understand whether the reversal to the upside looks impulsive or not. Please note that these can only always be a snapshot when the video is recorded. When you watch the video, it might be a bit later. For the latest updates, consider to join our membership, where you get access to Tradingview live charts as well, so you see live the latest updates and everything on the chart. However, at the moment, it does look like there is at least some kind of a reaction. For me, it's a bit too small to be really meaningful. And even if we go higher, we have to be mindful that there is likely going to be some resistance around 28.3 cents, around the previous swing high. And we have to be mindful that any bounce to the upside could simply be the B wave in white, okay? Now, the blue scenario suggests that an ABC correction is actually completed. And if the market now only moves up in 3 waves, so in a corrective rally, then this would likely just be, the white scenario. And we have to prepare for another test of support. So that means until we really get a decisive break above 39.2 cents, which is the swing high from December and January, the support zone that we have on the chart here remains relevant and valid. So it means the price can make use of it. It is really just a high level perspective here where we have a support zone, and any micro patterns in this support zone, that's really just noise. However, it's important to note that as soon as we see 5 wave movements to the upside on the smaller time frame, it could be an indication that the fifth wave towards 49 to 66 cent has begun. And the HBAR chart shows some upside today compared to most of the other cryptos. So that is looking quite interesting. Now let's take a look at the short-term chart for HBAR. This is the micro pattern. Obviously, the thesis was that we're moving down in an ABC structure, that we would reach the 12.8 cent level, which is the 50% retracement, and also the 100% extension at 12.7 cents. So good overview there, good cluster of support. Now, then I presented you, I think yesterday it was, a small setup where we said we have a 1-2 setup in the blue scenario. Not convinced yet, but obviously there's a support area to watch, and ideally the bulls would react to that zone to start a third wave to the upside. Well, that started at least, that rally started at least. But to really be considered a reversal pattern, a solid reversal pattern, we need 5 waves up on a larger time frame. And this is highlighted here in blue. So that means we need to see wave 1, wave 2 maybe complete. The third wave needs to reach at least 21.3 cents, and then another higher low and another higher high. And then we can call that maybe wave 1, and the pullback afterwards would be a wave 2. And that can be used as a jump-off point for higher prices. Only when we get these 5 waves, we can also expect that the next pullback afterwards will hold a higher low. For now, we're simply tracking the structures, but as I said already, these are the micro patterns, so when you watch the video, it might have changed already. Therefore, it can be helpful to check out our gold membership. But still, I want to give you the key levels now. As long as we're holding above 15.9 cents, the direct move to the upside can continue. Any break below 15.9 cents will shift the focus back to the previous micro support area, and that could be tested again, and the price can attempt another rally from there. And that support is between 13.3 cents and 14.9 cents. That's the update about HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.